I don't know. Beats me. Good luck. Break a leg. I'm listening. I'm all ears. I fell asleep. I nodded off. How are you? How's it going? I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Hurry up. Chop chop. Give it a try. Give it a shot. Go shopping. Go home. Go dancing. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Go for a run. Go on a date. Go on a plane. Go on vacation. Go to church. Go to school. Go to bed. Go to the park. Go to the hospital. Go to the cinema. Breakfast. Brekkie.
It's brekkie time. Brekkie!
Afternoon. Arvo.
That was when footy was played in the Saturday Arvo.
Toilet. Dunny.
You know what? I'm gonna go to the dunny.
Great. Bonza.
It's Bonza!